What's going on, guys? Welcome back to How to Make a Game in Unity for Beginners. My name is Dustin, and today I'm going to keep this video really short. What I really wanted to do in this video is, as of the last couple of days, this channel is maybe a week old or so, and over the last day or two, what I noticed is I have my first subscriber. So I just wanted to give a quick shout out to whoever this subscriber is. It's set to private, so I can't see who it is, but I want to thank you so much for subscribing and watching these videos. I will be having more tutorials coming out in the near future. I'm doing my best to put out as many of these videos in the series as I can as quickly as possible. Um, but I just wanted to give a quick shout out and say thank you so much for subscribing and keep watching because I got more to come.